Namaste viewers, welcome to Anādyavidyā channel. Today we'll go through the meaning of the 14th Shloka of ATMA BODHA. Anādyavidyānirvācyā kāraṇopādhirucyate Upādhitritayādanyamātmānamavadhārayet. So now we'll try to find out. This verse, discusses two important ideas: the causal body, the Kāraṇa Sharīra, and the true nature of the Atman. Let us go through the word by word meaning of this shloka. Anādi. The first word is Anādi. Avidya. Beginningless, something that has always existed, is Anādi. Avidya means ignorance. Vidya is knowledge, Avidya is ignorance. The lack of knowledge of the true self. Then the next word is Nirvācyā. That is, Vācya means which can be talked about. Nirvācyā means which cannot be talked about, or indescribable, something that cannot be fully explained in words. Kāraṇopādhiḥ. Kāraṇopādhiḥ. That means the causal body, Upadhi, Kāraṇa, which is the root cause of our ignorance and existence in the cycle of birth and death. Kāraṇopādhiḥ Uchyate. That means it is said to be, is called Upādhitritayāt. Upādhitritayāt. The three limiting bodies are covering. See, these are causal body, subtle body, and causal body. That is Sthula, Sukshma, and Kāraṇa Sharīra. The physical body, the mind, intellect, and the senses, the root of ignorance that keeps us in illusion. These are three Upadhi, Tritayāt Upadhi, three kinds of Upadhis. Anyam, other than this, Atmanam, the true self, which is beyond these bodies, Avadhārayet, understood, realized with certainty. To put it simply, the causal body, the Kāraṇa Sharīra, is made up of Avidya, ignorance, which has no beginning and cannot be directly described. This ignorance is the reason why we feel separate from our true self, that is Atman, and remain stuck in the cycle of birth and death. The Atman, the true self, is different from the three Upadhis, that is bodies, the physical body, subtle body, and the causal body. And to attain liberation, one must understand that the Atman is beyond these three bodies and is pure, eternal, and free. So, if you have to illustrate, imagine a clear sky that is covered by clouds, ignorance or Avidya. The sky always exists, it is always there, but due to the clouds we cannot see it fully, its full brightness or its completeness. The clouds are like the causal body which hides the true self. When the clouds clear away, ignorance is removed through knowledge, we realize that the sky, that is Atman, was always there, unchanged. In the same way, when we remove ignorance, we realize that we are not the body or the mind, but the pure Atman which is beyond all limitations. This is how it is to be understood. The meaning of this 14th Shloka. Anādi Avidyā Nirvācyā Kāraṇopādhiḥ Uchyate Upādhitritayāt Anyam Ātmanam Avadhārayet. So with this we conclude this episode. Please like, share, and then subscribe to my channel. Please go through the video completely and then post your comments in the comment box, which would be helpful to us. Thank you.